Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Before the break, we stopped here. So, Rina, point number 5.
The ordinal number. The word for first is awalu, ordinal number from 2 to 10 are formed on the pattern of fa'ilun. Salisun, third, rabi'un, fourth, khamisun, fifth, sadisun, sixth, and then second is samin, which is originally saniyun, like golin in lesson 1, with alif lam. It is asani.
So, first thing, the ordinal numbers are made on the pattern of fa'ilun. Second thing, there are some words which have ya at the end, but we delete that ya when we don't have alif lam. We will learn about this later, why we delete ya from these words. So, sanin is one of these words. We delete its ya when it does not have alif lam. Read the point number 6 also.
Um, Alaisa kazalika. Alaisa kazalika. Isn't it so? If a
Is not
student
it so?
is not is so, if a student is asked, Alaisa kazalika.
Anta talibun alaysa kazalika?
Oh, anta talibun alaisa kazalika. The answer is bala. We will learn more about bala in lesson 4.
Yes, Rizwana.
Yes, sir.
Next.
Ayyuhuma. Should I read?
Yes.
Ayyuhuma. Which of the two? For example, fil fasli talibani min Firansa ayyuhuma ahuka. There are two students from France in the class. Which of them is your brother? The two broken plural forms, mafailu and mafailu, like fanadiku and fanajinu, are called muntahal jumui.
So these are just a name that you need to memorize, nothing else here. Miss Satya,
Yes.
vocabulary.
Vocabulary. Ma'ajahun, hostel. Kaukabun, star. Farikun, team. Shakikun, full brother. Fil manami, in dream. Nafisatun, window. Plural is Nawafisun. Sinun, age or tooth. Shahrun, month. Laibun, player. Waziun, spacious or large. Shahirun, famous. Samanun, price. Kasla, lazy. Feminine form of kaslanu.
الدرس الثالث will start next time inshallah. Any question? Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Last time we learned that people will be gathered on the day of judgment and the criminal will be recognized by their marks and they will be thrown into the hellfire. But here, Auzubillahi minash shaitanir rajeem, Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Here we learn about those people who are good. وَلِمَنْ خَافَ مَقَامَ رَبِّهِ جَنَّتَانِ. Wa mean and, li mean belongs to. It also means for. Man who. Khafa feared. Khafa feared. Maqama standing. Rabbihi his Lord. Jannatan two gardens. And the one who feared. Waliman khafa for the one who feared. Standing in front of his Lord there are two gardens. So the one who fears standing in front of the God means he restrains himself from doing sins because he knows that he will be questions. He will be asked. He will be questioned. He will be interrogated on the day of judgment for his deeds. So the one who fears standing in front of his Lord, there are two gardens from for him. فَبِأَيِّ آلَاءِ رَبِّكُمَا تُكَذِّبَانِ. So which blessings of your Lord you both will deny? You have learned the meaning of zoo. Zoo means having, possessing. It has these meanings. So its dual form is zawata. Zawata means they both possess. They both have. Afnan branches. Zawata Afnan. They both have large number of branches. Abundant branches. فَبِأَيِّ آلَاءِ رَبِّكُمَا تُكَذِّبَانِ. So which blessings of your Lord you both will deny? Fihima in both of them. Fihima in both of them. Ainani two springs. Ainani two springs. Water springs. Tajriyan flowing, running. Tajriyan they both are running, they both are flowing. In both of them there are two water springs which are constantly flowing. فَبِأَيِّ آلَاءِ رَبِّكُمَا تُكَذِّبَانِ. So which blessings of your Lord you both will deny? Fihima in both of them. Fihima in both of them. Min kulli from each or of each. Min kulli of each. Fakihatin fruit. Zawjan pair. Zawjan pair. In both of them there will be pair of each fruit. In both of them there will be pair of each fruits. So Zawjan means pair. So one of that pair will be known to you that you have already tasted in this life, and the other pair will be a new. The other thing about this pair is this, that their shape, their form is similar to each other, but their taste is different. فَبِأَيِّ آلَاءِ رَبِّكُمَا تُكَذِّبَانِ. So with blessings of your Lord you both will deny. Muttaki'ina reclining. Muttaki'ina reclining. Ala upon or on. Furushin coaches. Furushin coaches. Batainuha. Batain mean inner side. Ha their. Batainuha their inner sides. Their inner linings. Min istabrak are of brocade. Or istabrak mean brocade. They will be reclining on the couches whose inner linings are made of brocade, of you can say fine silk also. Vajana and the fruits. Vajana and the fruit. Al Jannatain, two gardens. So here Jannatain is mudaf ilayh. That's why it is majroor. Usually the word is Jannatan, which is marfu. But here it is mudaf ilayh, so we are using majroor form. Jannatain. Wajana al Jannataini, and the fruit of two gardens. Dan mean near. Near mean we don't have to make any, we will not make any effort to pluck that fruit from the tree. So it will be near our hands. We'll just pick it while reclining on our couches. متكئين على فروش بطائنها من استبرق وجان الجنتين دان. They will be reclining on the couches whose inner linings are made of brocade, fine silk, and the fruits of both gardens will be near our hands so that we can easily pick it and eat it without any effort while reclining on our couches. فَبِأَيِّ آلَاءِ رَبِّكُمَا تُكَذِّبَانِ. So which blessings of your Lord you both will deny? Sadaqallahul Azim. If you have any question, you can ask me. Last time, who recited Holy Quran in the class? Rizwana, Khatija, Niswan, Noor, Rina, Satya. Do you remember who recited the Holy Quran in the
Yeah,
class?
I did in this class, I think. It was the last one.
Okay. Rizwana, in your class, who recited the Quran last time?
Raima.
Rahma. So after Rahma, it is Rina turns. Okay. Rina. Miss Rina.
Yes, sir.
I think today we better listen Ayatul Kursi. So Rina, can you recite Ayatul Kursi right now?
Okay, inshallah.
Okay, recite.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. الله لا إله إلا هو الحي القيوم لا تأخذه سنة ولا نوم له ما في السماوات وما في الأرض من ذا الذي يشفع عنده إلا بإذنه يعلم ما بين أيديهم وما خلفهم ولا يحيطون بشيء من علمه إلا بما شاء وسع كرسي السماوات والأرض ولا يهوده حفظهما وهو العلي العظيم صدق الله
Sadakallah.
العظيم.
Rizwana, what about your homework in Hifzul Quran?
I'll send, sir, inshallah.
Okay, you have missed a lot of homework. Homework 2, 3, 4, 5.
Yeah, sir, I was not well and
So inshallah we'll continue next time. Or we have still 12 minutes. If you want, we can study Dروos Lughat a little bit. Should we study right now or should we start next time?
next time we'll start, sir. If you have time, you can that adad only revise. So
Okay. Do you want to revise the adad?
yeah, it's difficult.
Okay. We'll revise it in the exercises. It will be better for you because in the exercises there will be some good examples for you as well. So it will help you in memorizing them. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
So inshallah we'll continue next time from here.
Yes.
Ma salama
Masalah.
جزاكم خيرا.
wa iyyakum.
Thank you, sir.
You're welcome.